In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry Canva images high-quality digital prints in Canva. First, open Canva and head straight into your design. If things look a little soft or fuzzy, don't worry, there are a couple of quick adjustments that can make a big difference. Start by selecting the image that looks blurry. Click Edit Photo, then go to Adjust. Increase the sharpness slider slowly and watch the image as you go. Sharpness enhances edge detail, so a little can bring back crisp lines, but too much can introduce grain or halos. While you're there, try nudging up clarity as well. Clarity boosts mid-tone contrast and can help textures and details pop without overdoing it. A good practice is to preview at 100 zoom so you're evaluating the image at a realistic size. If you need a bigger improvement, use Canva's AI-powered image upscaler. Go to Apps, search for Image Upscaler, and open it. Select your image, choose a higher resolution option, and click Upscale. The tool will automatically enlarge and intelligently sharpen your image, which is especially useful if the original file is small. Keep in mind that upscaling can't invent detail that isn't there, but it often delivers a cleaner, more print-friendly result with fewer artifacts than manual sharpening alone. For high-quality prints, getting the right resolution is key. If you're a pro user, go to Share, then Download, and drag the size slider to 3.125x or higher. This scaling targets roughly 300 dpi from Canva's standard base, which is the sweet spot for clear prints. Check that your final pixel dimensions match what you expect before you export. If you're using the free version, you can still achieve print-ready resolution with a quick calculation. Multiply your design's width and height by 3.125, for example, 1000 pixels becomes 3125 pixels. Make sure your design dimensions reflect that larger size before you download so the exported file reaches that higher resolution. When it's time to export, choose PNG for the best quality, especially if you need a transparent background or want to preserve crisp edges and gradients. PNG is less compressed than JPEG and helps reduce blockiness in flat colors or text. If file size is a concern and transparency isn't needed, JPEG can work, but PNG generally keeps things sharper. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.